I mean, call me crazy, but this is pretty cool.
They're hauling 3 pieces at once.
I want to say the other pieces are like almost stabilizers or something.
Maybe.
What do you guys think? Did he just wave at us? Did he just wave at us, guys?
He waved at us.
What I found.
Hey, you have a big bar for me?
Maybe he's hungry up there. Maybe it's about time for his lunch and he's hungry. I mean, it's just not every day you see a cool construction site like this. All right, let's turn around and get your seatbelt on.
I need my water.
Here.
I'll give you a sip once we get started. Let's get your seatbelt on
I
first.
need that water.
Nope, seatbelt on first.
Oh, are you going to give me my special water? If I get my seatbelt on?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Adventure water.
Cuando termines de poner tu cinturón de seguridad. Así.
What are we going to do now?
We're gonna go to the train station. What you think about that?
No. I do. I'm not going to go. Oh, yes, we are.
Me imaginé.